In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the setup of your HP LaserJet M141we printer. This includes installing the ink cartridge, loading the paper tray, and doing the wireless setup using your home Wi-Fi network. Let's start with the setup. Now the first thing is to switch on the printer and open this section. Now we have to install the ink cartridge. So you get an ink cartridge with this printer, remove the seals, close the chamber, open the front door, adjust the size, load the paper. This is the paper output tray. So printer is already in the setup mode because it's just a brand new printer. So go to your device. For example, I'm going to use my iPhone and open the HP Smart app. You can download that app from the App Store. In the app, click on the plus button on the top and select New Printer, Get Started. Select your LaserJet printer. Select your Wi-Fi and enter its password. Continue. Press and hold the wireless button for once and release it. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. Click continue. Continue with the printing services. Continue with the HP Plus. You can enable the ink delivery or you can skip it. We have installed the ink toner, so just scroll ahead and continue. Paper is also loaded. Click on the print button to check if the printer is connected. So printer is working and the wireless setup is almost done. So click continue. You can send link to other devices or you can skip the link. Setup is complete. And you should be able to see your laser printer with your estimated level of ink. From here we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. So this way we can do the complete setup of this printer. Thanks for watching.